Hello, my name is Muhammad HAKIM bin ASMADY.
My name is Muhammad FIRDAUS bin SAIZUL.
My name is Muhammad IRFAN bin SHAMANI.
My name is Muhammad RIDZUAN bin KHAIDZIR.
We often realize that we have been through lots of different surfaces. In these cases, we found out that these surfaces bring two different time output. By using same amount of force and distance, on surface A, time taken is 60 seconds, while surface B, time taken is 40 seconds. What is the logic behind the situation?
Hello, so I will be explaining about frictional force. Frictional force is a force that acts when two surfaces is in contact with each other. It is also a force that acts as a drag between one surface and to another. So let's say we take an example here. We got this container here, and as I push it, the surface between the bottom of the container and also the surface of the table is what we call as frictional force. And frictional force can actually vary in terms of weight, but it also can vary in terms of surface. Just for example, I put this rock here, right? So I will be also taking this container and I will push it. As you notice that it will topple down because of the force is actually so much that but the surface is holding the container to not move forward more, and it causes the force to actually topple down the container. So this actually kind of explain that surface can actually affect the frictional force in our daily life.
Frictional force. Two boxes of books are carried up the hallway with some mass, but with different weight. Box A pulled on surface A and the other box pulled on surface B. We found out that box B spent less time, which is 40 seconds, than box A, 60 seconds. So what is the logic behind this scenario? To answer this question, we need to find the coefficient of friction. First, we need to find the value R by using Fy equals to Ma, which is 0. We can get value R 294.3 Newton. Then, we need to find the value A by using formula S equals to 1 over 2 AT squared. We will get A equals to 0.0278. After that, we can substitute all the value R, M, and A to the formula Fx equals to Ma, and we will get the coefficient of friction, which is 0.269.
Okay, for the surface B, to find the coefficient, first we will use the formula Fy equal to Ma, R minus 30 Newton equal to 0, R equal to 30 G Newton, and R will equal to 294.3 Newton. After that, we will use S equal to 1 over 2 times A times T square, 50 equal to 1 over 2 times A times 40 square, and A will equal to 0.0625. After that, we will use formula Fs equal to Ma. 80 will minus mu R equal to 30 times 0.0625. Mu R will equal to 78.125. And mu will equal to 0.265. So the coefficient for surface B is 0.265. For the conclusion, there is less time spent for the box carry on the surface B because the friction between the box area surface B is less than the box on surface A. Therefore, this proves the additional force, which is frictional force, exist.